Find or read reviews that people are talking about Dakofied smartwatch. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Bluetooth calls and notifications. With the calling feature, you can make and answer calls from the smartwatch with crystal clear audio, which makes it really handy for making short calls on the go. Notifications such as emails, SMS, and social media messages are always visible to you, allowing you to manage your life more effectively. Fitness tracker and health tracker. Over 100 sports modes for your option, including running, cycling, yoga, ballet and more provide deep insights into your workout performance. Monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen level, steps, calories, and other metrics in real time while working out to stay motivated and engaged with every exercise. Take use of sleep monitors to detect quality of your nocturnal sleep and assess the stages of your daily sleep cycle to create a more wholesome routine. IP68 waterproof and 100+ customized watch faces. Daily tasks like hand washing or a sudden downpour become easier when your watch is IP68 waterproof. Its 1.85-inch screen, which combines the aesthetic design to make it stylish and go well with daily outfits, ensures that everything is crystal clear and readable. Over 100+ wallpapers are available, or you can get your own picture to create a personalized dial. Wide compatibility and changeable band. This smartwatch is compatible with iPhone and Android phones and is simple to set up, allowing you to connect and use all of its functions with ease regardless of which device you use. It comes with a 22mm comfortable silicone band that is changeable. You may feel free to replace it for a new kind to go with a different style. Multiple functions and long battery life. Wide range of functions are supported by this watch: find phone, weather display, music control, remote to snap pictures, stopwatch, timer, sedentary reminder, calculator, and so on. Give you a variety of options for organizing your life in more convenient ways. With only 2 hours of full charging time, it can last 5 days with regular use or 30 days standby. Battery life is no longer a concern. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.